on my place. I'm not a criminal.
Sorry, I think we lost you. You know my name.
On March 4th, 2024, a woman named Christina caused a disturbance at a local bar. She claimed special treatment due to her race and her husband's job. Police were called when her behavior turned aggressive. Stay tuned. It only escalates.
I just walked up. So, yeah, you know.
You're true. You're true story. You don't know nothing.
True story. I don't know nothing.
That bitch is crazy.
You can't make me laugh on camera. You get me in trouble.
Okay, if I'm on camera. That bitch is crazy. No, true story. She was literally been in here. She walked up to me. Why are you in here? I said, oh, it's cool park. They don't like you. You're black. I said, what do you mean? She's like, am I really on camera? Let me cover my face. She goes, she said, my husband's the mayor, and I've been kicked out of a bar already tonight, and you're not. What did she say? What did she say? They don't like you because you're black here. This is the racist part. I said, I've been coming across. Can I get my cigar back? Yes. Mercy, boo-boo. Are you enjoying? I told you don't inhale it. It's not weed.
She's been in the bar for a while. But just being dumb.
Yeah.
No.
I don't know if you know who she is. She's Tim Cass.
We all do, yeah.
You all do, I know.
Just, maybe take her and take her to the next city over. Like
But she's been touching people, pushing people.
Okay.
She tried to push me off her chair.
No, seriously. Okay, so I can smoke your cigars now.
Yep. Yeah, we will.
You guys do what you have to do.
I appreciate it.
No, true story.
No.
They say you don't inhale, right?
It's always like this.
Shit. Like,
So I try to call it Jared Green's big buddy.
yeah.
I mean, I know a lot of the boys. I run the freight house downtown.
Okay.
But I know a lot of the boys.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck? I can't my name out, have a drink.
I know, they can't. There's no nights off.
You know.
Not when this is your office. Yeah, yeah.
And you just take it in.
I mean, what do you give her?
Blow it out.
How the fuck do you all that? But anyways,
Some practice.
We'll get her. I believe you. We will make it happen.
Look it up, please. Who's this guy?
His name's Dan.
You know what happened to me.
If I be honest,
What happened to you?
if I be quite honest with you,
You know what happened to me. I'm
if I be honest with
Tim.
you,
Yeah, but no, this
Okay.
is different.
I don't know what happened to you.
Where have you been?
Like just now or like
Did you
my
just
whole
get
life?
here?
No, I was talking to other people.
No, you just got into La Crosse this year?
No, we had dinner together over at Turbo like 6 years ago.
Christina keeps saying she did nothing wrong, but several people reported that she pushed them. One witness even called her racist. She denies everything and acts like she owns the place.
This town is going to shut Tim and I down everywhere we go because of what happened to me. Because the police department said that I did something wrong. All these white fucking motherfuckers think that I did something wrong.
Okay.
Even though the police department dropped all the charges. Even though the police department continued to investigate me when they had no right.
So what does that have to do with tonight's
Nothing.
actions?
I don't even know who called the police on me.
A few people.
You should go ask them.
So they've already told me. They
What
said
did
that
they
you
say?
were pushing people and touching people and trying to push people off their stools and acting disorderly.
Not true.
So
Well, you go ahead and believe them. This is the guy right here. Let's go talk to him. Come on.
no, we're not.
Hey, tell him what you think about me.
I didn't touch you once.
When I pushed you off your bar stool, right?
You never know. I never said that.
That was the other guy you pushed
on the bar when the bar owner
John,
told
how
me
you
to
doing,
get the
man?
house. Yeah, I know what that. You never touched that.
I remember back when you used to live on A Street, dog.
Oh, just stay away from me because I'm not about what y'all don't
John's never been. John's always been good to me.
No, that's like you're on my place. I'm not a criminal.
Sorry, I think we lost you.
No, talking people.
Then she called me about your name. And then tried to run it.
So she's being accused of getting in people's personal space and touching them when they don't want to. And to prove her innocence, she does exactly that to the police officer. You really can't make this shit up.
Yeah, me, but I fell. But I got back up. She never touched me. I never touched her.
Sorry?
But she was verbally abused her. why would they break in to listen to what the bar reception for to get the hell out of the bar? I encourage you to listen to that as she says for you to encourage me to tell you that. Well,
She tries to manipulate everyone, saying the charges were dropped in another case. But tonight, she touches people again without permission. Officers stay calm, but you can feel the tension building.
I was a lesbian. She started fighting for people, and then she was being aggressive with people. I was in there the entire time. So I don't know what she did. Horrible.
Yeah.
And then she sat down in the middle of the bar and acted like a child. And when she was acting like a child, when the bar owner was yelling at her, I was like,
I know nothing other than
like, just go. Like, you can go now, and there's no problem. You guys or anybody, you can just go home. But unfortunately, she wanted to choose this.
She'd have a case tonight. No, seriously,
Yeah,
literally.
I put that down on the picture.
I'm trying to be a nice person, but she was very abusive.
Yeah, we're gonna find a remedy.
I don't care where she goes.
We're gonna try to find a remedy for this real quick.
No, I didn't do anything wrong. And it's all
No, we're not gonna go inside, ma'am.
Chris, you sat here for us.
you know my name. You go in there.
We're not gonna go in there right
Oh,
now.
you're just gonna accept that?
Definitely.
We're going to be able to treat me like this as long as I live here.
Treat you like what?
This?
How are we treating you?
You're here. I did nothing wrong because they called the police on me because they're white fucking.
Thanks, man.
What was the other call?
Same thing, almost to a T.
Same person.
It's,
You know what I told them? I said I'm not leaving until the police come.
yeah, let me talk to them real quick, okay? All right.
You just hang out there for a second.
We weren't fighting anybody, but we've been escalating. So that one was one argue at the bar until police got there. This one, this gentleman said that she was trying to brutally attack people, push people off bar stools. Didn't necessarily come at him. He just tripped and fell and tried to move away from her. So it looked like he attacked her, but he never touched her.
So the guy that I was talking to, like, she's been pushing people. She walked up to that gal over there and said they don't like her.
I will go to court, man. I will testify. I'll be honest, no fucking problem. So if she wants to make this thing to be a thing, she can make it a thing and it can be her thing.
I get it.
Or she can let it go right now and you guys can get this slightly and screw her away from that. That's all I have to say.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it, brother. Take it to the jail or just take some tickets?
Not to take tickets. Because you guys already had talked with her before, right?
We did, and she was supposed to go home. She told us, I'm going home. She lives right behind, chances are, over here. She was like, I'm going to go home. My parents are coming over. I got plans then. I'm like, great, move on. We didn't do anything then. And now, look at this.
These guys are here because
So
white supremacists.
I'll grab the guy that I talked. Look at this. We're calling him a white supremacist. Yeah. So I'll grab my other guy's info. I'll write down what he says.
Yeah, this guy's going to be a good witness.
Yeah. So I say, his dad's over here.
You, let me put on space in my car.
Yeah.
Is it not good?
One second.
We'll make it all good. It's going to be good in a little bit.
I would too, nigga. I know.
Yeah, it'll be good in a few minutes.
You know John did nigga. None of that. You know John did. None of that. But yeah, man.
Where'd you go for a long time? Like, I remember way back when you used to live over at 135, I used to come over. And then you disappeared for like years, and then you came back.
Yeah. It was that long, but shit.
It felt like a long time.
I'm supposed to, but nigga.
Yeah.
I tell you, I'm supposed to, man.
I just remember talking to you, and then all of a sudden, you were gone.
I just like to put in a good word for that lady right there. She's an okay lady.
She's okay?
Yeah, she's an okay lady.
Okay. I appreciate that.
Yep. I just wanted to put in a good word for her. But,
Whoa! What the fuck was that?
I do this shit.
Why are you pushing me?
And I ain't went nowhere.
Despite several warnings, she sits in the middle of the bar and throws a tantrum. She yells, acts out, and refuses to leave. Her entitlement is now visible to everyone around. Someone tries to defend her, saying she's an okay lady. Right after that, she shoves multiple people right in front of officers. She proves her critics right in real time.
Police officers. So imagine what she does when the cops aren't there.
You guys do something about this guy? Actually, I don't feel safe in the city anymore. What's more is, if something happens to me tonight...
It's my job, bro. Bro, this is what You know that.
Yeah, no.
I swear to God, nigga.
You're good.
Bro,
You saw that, right?
bro, I
Yep,
do this shit,
yep.
bro. Thank you.
Ma'am, is it okay if we talk over here for a second?
I do this shit for real, for real.
You come over here and talk to me. And my name is Christina, and you know me.
I'm just
Don't
calling
call
you
me
ma'am.
ma'am.
Why?
Thank you.
Christina.
Because I
Okay,
asked you
Christina.
not to.
Is it okay if we talk over here, Christina?
No, I don't know what you want to talk to me about,
Okay.
but I'm pretty sure you can do it right here. No one's
So
here.
unfortunately, you do have to go to jail tonight. Okay?
Wait, let me put. They're arresting me.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll be in here.
Yes, sir. We will. I'm gonna take this out of your hand, Christina. I got her. Yeah.
She just want to make sure he's not get too tight on
I'm
you.
gonna get that.
I'll make sure they take it because I don't know you personally.
Christina, I'll,
You guys think I deserve to be arrested right now?
yeah, I'll get it for you. Okay.
Do you think I deserve to be arrested right now?
What you been charged with?
I don't know. What am I being charged
You're
with?
getting arrested for disorderly conduct.
Disorderly
You
conduct?
been detained.
I'm a white girl. I don't go to jail.
Yeah, this is discrimination.
Okay. I'm gonna grab her,
I
please.
need my purse.
I give it to you.
Ouch.
If I knew her personally, I'd
This
give it to her.
hurts.
But
Thank
This
you, ma'am.
hurts.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a good night,
Fingers.
officer.
I know they don't fuck with nobody. They don't
Better
fuck
luck
with
next time,
nobody. I know you don't fuck with nobody.
I need you to put that wallet in my
Yep.
purse.
I'm gonna carry it all the way over there. Okay, just like
No,
this.
I want you to put it in my purse.
Well, let's go and then we'll make it happen. Okay.
I'm not going anywhere.
There we go. You just need to walk.
It's spine problems.
Is there a reason why you're doing this, Christina?
Yeah.
Doctors tell her she's under arrest. She refuses to walk, lies on the ground, and says they're hurting her. She even tries to talk her way out again.
Please walk. Please walk. Please walk.
What's wrong with me? You're hurting me. No.
Please walk.
No. Why?
Because you're under arrest, and we would expect you to
Why
maybe
am I
act
under
with some
arrest?
courtesy. We've
You
exchanged
guys are
you.
hurting me. No, you're hurting me. You're
Well,
hurting
no,
me.
I don't have a blue key.
Oh, this way. We're going to defrost
You guys
because
are
our store is
gonna
going
get
to
big trouble for this.
Okay,
We are watching.
can we walk over here, please?
super nice to you.
Can we walk over here,
This
please?
is nice.
Please, I don't want to have to carry you, okay?
You're not gonna carry me. You're gonna drag me like you just
No,
did.
we didn't drag you, ma'am.
That hurt.
Yeah.
I have plus. I can't get in there.
It's definitely okay.
Please go with us.
No, I can't. Shut your small face.
I'm gonna do it so quick.
Shove somebody right in front of us. No, I don't want to. Bring some air in there for
It
you.
doesn't matter. I trust that in you.
I'm gonna call it down there because we already had to carry you because you were being uncooperative.
Everything you guys worry about.
Christy, can you please sit in there?
No.
We're trying to be decent,
No, I
please.
can't. You're not being decent.
Please.
You've been here
Please
forever
don't
and
hurt
you
the
know
officer.
Tim.
I do know Tim.
She screams, throws herself around, and demands her wallet be handled a certain way. Officers remain calm, but she continues shouting, "I'm a white girl," as if that should save her.
Going well.
Probably a stamp, right?
Yeah. Yeah, like $4 and her lighter, so I'll see you over there.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we'll go grab those.
Christy Cabot, they're intoxicated, trying to fight people downtown, literally.
You got PBT on her?
Not yet, no. She started fighting us right away. Oh, shit. We just go to put hands on, like, hey, let's just walk over here. Nope, started coming at us. I got the wheelchair behind you guys.
Well, yeah, I want PBT.
We're gonna put you in a wheelchair here. Yes, you my hands. You're fine,
Talking,
son.
okay, please, guys.
Fine. This is just when we went to jail. She said, "Nope, I ain't going." And she decided to just lay down.
You guys are really hurting me. What are you doing? God, I must be so fucking violent. Can I please? Whatever this is, it hurts.
We're gonna go back. We're gonna go backwards. Pull it backwards.
And also this hurts, whatever this is. We'll get it up. I need you to blow this too for me first. What is it? Put blow into that. Just for the nerves. No. All right. Give me a little. Can I please have this loosened? You guys already made mistakes.
Oh, I mean, everything else.
She's now in a wheelchair, but still tries to fight. Officers explain her behavior in detail. She yells more, saying she's not violent, but her actions clearly say otherwise. Christina was charged with disorderly conduct. Surprisingly, no resisting arrest charges were added despite her behavior.